Hey there. Welcome back to our channel where we keep you in the loop with the latest stock market news. Today, the market's performance was all over the place, as investors played it safe amidst some worrying economic data. Let's dive into the details and see what's going on. So, the day kicked off with a bit of a mixed bag, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average opening down by 0.2%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite started with some gains of 0.1% and 0.4%, respectively. The latest economic data is a bit concerning though. The Institute for Supply Management reported a decline in U.S. manufacturing activity, with the manufacturing index dropping to 61.2% in March, down from 64.7% in February. That's not a great sign for the economic recovery, and investors are feeling it. Meanwhile, there are ongoing talks about President Biden's $2.3 trillion infrastructure plan. It's looking like it might face some opposition from Republicans, who are saying it's too big and ambitious. It'll be interesting to see how these negotiations turn out, and how it impacts the stock market in the coming days. On the corporate front, Tesla Inc. is feeling the heat after reporting disappointing sales figures for the first quarter of 2021. They missed the estimated 200,000 vehicle delivery mark by quite a bit, delivering only 184,800 vehicles. Yikes. That's had a negative impact on the company's stock price, which is down by 3%. On the flip side, Amazon.com Inc. is doing pretty well. They're expanding their physical footprint with new grocery stores and Amazon Fresh locations, which is getting investors excited. They're also investing heavily in their logistics network and digital advertising capabilities, which should drive growth in the coming years. Their stock price is up by 1.4%. In the energy sector, oil prices are looking pretty good. They've risen to their highest level in over a month, thanks to the global economic recovery and ongoing production cuts by OPEC+. Brent crude futures rose by 1.2% to $64.07 per barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate, WTI, crude futures climbed by 1.1% to $60.53 per barrel. Lastly, let's talk about earnings reports. Delta Airlines Inc. reported a net loss of $1.2 billion in the first quarter of 2021. That's not great news, but it's actually better than expected thanks to a rebound in travel demand. We all know how hard the airline industry has been hit by the pandemic, so this is some good news for a change. So, that's a wrap on today's stock market news. It's been a mixed bag, but the market's performance reflects the cautious approach of investors amidst the economic data and ongoing negotiations. We'll keep you updated as things progress. Thanks for tuning in, and take care.